So we've got this diagram of a wall, and the lengths are all given in feet. And we want to know, first of all, how many square feet of wallpaper would be needed to cover the wall. So basically, if we're looking to like cover the wall in something like either wallpaper or paint or anything like that, we're looking for what the area is of that wall. So we need the area of this. And again, it's not a regular shape. It's not just a rectangle or just a triangle. It looks to me like a combination of this triangle at the top and the rectangle below it. So let's do the rectangle first. So I've got it like this. And I know the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we've got length times width. I'm going to let this catch up. For some reason it's not. There it is. Okay, so length times width. And I know that it's 6 feet tall by 8 feet on the bottom. So I'm going to do 6 times 8, which is 48. So that's the area of just that rectangular part. So now if I look at the triangle at the top, I know that's 1/2 base times height. So I have to find the base and the height. Well, the base is here, and that is directly across from the base of this rectangle at the bottom, and it has to be the same length. Otherwise it would be a different shape because that's a rectangle there. So I know the base of my triangle is going to be 8. And now we just need to find this height, right? Well, this 9 was representing the whole height. So let me make that a different color. So if I put orange, so this whole height here is 9. Okay, that's how they drew it on the original picture. So if I want to find what just this piece is here, well, if the whole thing is 9, but I know that this side is 6, that means this side here has to be 6 as well. So I would ask, okay, well, what do I have to add to 6 to get up to 9? And I know that's 3. So the height of that triangle is 3. So then I just do the math there. So I know 8 times 3 is 24. So I do 1/2 of 24, and I get 12. So how many square feet of wallpaper would be needed to cover the wall? Well, we're going to do area equals 48 plus 12. Well, and to do this, I'm going to be flexible with numbers. 48 plus 10 is 58, but I added 12, so I need to add 2 more, so I have 60. So I have 60 square feet is the total area of that wall. So that's how much wallpaper I'm going to need. Okay, and I explain my reasoning by walking you through the problem. I'm just cutting it into the shapes. Okay. Wallpaper is sold in rolls that are 2 feet wide. What's the minimum length you would need to purchase to cover the wall? So now we need to think about, how would I be covering this wall in wallpaper if I need to do 60 feet and I know the wallpaper is in rolls that are 2 feet long? So I'm going to do this weird thing. I'm going to say the area equals length times width, right? I know that's true. Now, the area we just found out, that's 60 feet squared. So I'm going to replace that A for area with 60. And then I know that the wallpaper is 2 feet wide. So the width of the wallpaper is 2. But I don't know the length. I have no idea. That's what I'm trying to find. So I can say, okay, well, the length I don't know, so I'm just going to leave it as an L. But the width is 2. So now I'm going to ask myself, what would make this a true statement? What number would I have to put in for L in order to make 2 times that number equal 60? And if you think about it for a minute, you'll realize that L has to be 30 feet. So that's the smallest amount it could be. It could be longer than that. You could cut it into pieces to put it up on the wall, but it has to at least be 30 feet long in order to fit that whole 60-foot squared wall. Okay, That is our assessments. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to me, talk to your classmates, get those questions answered so you understand what's happening with these problems.